So here I am in another attic. Guess what the #1 cause of house fires is in America? Dryer vents. They're almost in every house and nobody thinks about it until it causes a problem. It collects lint and just waits for that flashpoint. Going up this attic ladder right here, I knew right away I was going to run into a pretty bad issue with the dryer vent. You see all the lint there? You see all the lint right here? All the lint right there, all over the stuff. Look at that big lint ball right there. Here's the dryer vent right there. Definitely, if you have a dryer in your house, get it professionally cleaned. It's the #1 cause of house fires. Nobody thinks about it. And this one is in really bad shape. So, boilerplate comment on all my reports. Any used house, recommend professional dryer vent cleaning. Do it once a year or more if you have a lot of people living there and you're doing a lot of laundry. Keep safe. Catch you on the next one. See ya.